All right guys, what is happening? Dalen here from MAPerformance. Today we're gonna talk about our Infiniti Q50, Q60 downpipes. Yeah, lasers! Yeah! Whoa. All right guys, what we have in front of me here are our Infiniti Q50 and Q60 VR30 DDTT downpipes. As always, let's just start with the construction. It is going to be 304 stainless, hand TIG welded, comes with our lifetime warranty on the product, as with all of our products that we make here at MAPerformance. What we have is a factory connection downpipe. So it's going to go from the factory turbo or a factory flanged aftermarket turbo down to the factory catback or Y pipe or whatever piece on the backside you're purchasing. It'll go to a factory connection. We're going to enlarge that to a 3-inch stainless from the factory. I think the factory is roughly about a 2-inch. It tapers in multiple spots, but much larger to try to slow that exhaust gas down as it comes out of the turbo and increase efficiency through the whole system. Obviously, one of the biggest changes we're going to make is the high-flowing catalytic converter. This is going to be a quality catalyst. It's still going to meet kind of the emission standards we're looking for, but be a lot higher flowing, a little bit bigger in diameter than the factory ones for the core cells themselves, and just allow a lot more exhaust gas to pass through freer and have less of a backup on the backside of that turbine wheel. When we talk about the hand TIG welded construction, you're looking at back purge, high quality welds that are not going to crack and fatigue from porous materials and or poor welding techniques. We often talk about that word quality and what that means to us. That means a product that we can back with our lifetime warranty, which means for the entire time that you own these on your vehicle, if there's any issues, you can call us back, send them in, we'll get them either fixed up or replaced for you. I think that's a pretty big unique in the automotive aftermarket, and we've spent a lot of time developing our processes to be able to stand behind our products like that. We don't foresee you having any issues, but if you do, we're here to take care of them. Now, when we talk about the catalytic converters that we put in these, each catalytic converter is rated for roughly about 500 horsepower worth of airflow, making these compatible to upwards of about 1,000 horsepower. Obviously, on the VR30s, we're not seeing that as an average power level right now, so seeing the catalytic converters working in that 500-600 range would be no problem for most users. Another big factor that we brought in when installing these is we made sure that the fitment with multiple other aftermarket catbacks was going to be kind of an ease of install for everyone. We paired with ours, with ARC, and a few other major companies just to test fit them and make sure everything went well. On our end, all the fit up was great, which is always nice to see. I think we all know that with aftermarket components, it can be kind of a toss-up on how well everything's going to mate together. We also have done a lot of testing with our full catback that a little bit of time before that's coming to market, but paired with our custom muffler and just kind of overall design, the catalytic converted downpipes along with our catback is going to be a very unique sound that we're really excited to bring to the market. Sound clips. All right, guys, that is going to wrap up this video. As always, in the description is going to be a link to this product, and in the pinned first comment is going to be another link to this product. Obviously, if you're interested in them, please click on them, buy them. If you have any feedback on the product or the videos themselves, leave that in the comment below. We always appreciate that. That helps me get better. That helps the channel do more cool stuff. If you want to see us take like a car off of a sick jump, please say yes to that, because I've been trying to get him to let me do that for a long time. Down below, that's how we're gonna make that happen. And if you do say yes, you're gonna have to hit subscribe to be here when I get to jump that car off of something. So maybe throw out some ideas for that too. And as always, give the video a like, because that just makes me look like I know what I'm doing, and we really appreciate that. And if you have any other questions, we have a sales and customer support staff on the phone all day, every day, pretty much, and we want to hear from you guys. So appreciate you watching the video. You can email us. We got people that can write us letters. That's really cool. So really appreciate you guys watching this video, and please let us know what else you want to see from us. Yeah, I'll literally fight you guys. This puts meat on my table. It doesn't put meat on Kevin's table. He doesn't eat meat, but my table, meat, these. Need you to buy them. Thank you. I appreciate you. Goodbye.